What makes you happy?
What makes you happy?
Spending time with loved ones.
Spending time with loved ones.
What do you think about me?
What do you think about me?
You seem quite friendly and approachable.
You seem quite friendly and approachable.
How do you relax?
How do you relax?
Listening to music helps me relax.
Listening to music helps me relax.
What type of music do you like?
What type of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to rock music.
I enjoy listening to rock music.
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
Nothing's wrong. I'm all right.
Nothing's wrong. I'm all right.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Indeed, I enjoy drinking coffee.
Indeed, I enjoy drinking coffee.
Do you like pop music?
Do you like pop music?
No, pop music isn't really my taste.
No, pop music isn't really my taste.
How was the party?
How was the party?
It was lively and enjoyable.
It was lively and enjoyable.
What time did you arrive there?
What time did you arrive there?
I reached there at about 9 p.m.
I reached there at about 9 p.m.
Are you a vegetarian?
Are you a vegetarian?
No, but I love the vegan food.
No, but I love the vegan food.
How do you get to school?
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
I usually take the bus.
Are you good at swimming?
Are you good at swimming?
Yes, I can swim fairly well.
Yes, I can swim fairly well.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Sadly, I had a difficult night's sleep.
Sadly, I had a difficult night's sleep.
Can I hold your hand?
Can I hold your hand?
Sure, feel free to take my hand.
Sure, feel free to take my hand.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have a brother and a sister.
I have a brother and a sister.
What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up by 6 a.m.
I usually wake up by 6 a.m.
What's your favorite season?
What's your favorite season?
I love the autumn season most.
I love the autumn season most.
Are you thirsty?
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm a bit thirsty.
Yes, I'm a bit thirsty.
Were you at home last night?
Were you at home last night?
Last night, I was drinking at a pub with friends.
Last night, I was drinking at a pub with friends.
What is inside this box?
What is inside this box?
It contains a surprise gift inside.
It contains a surprise gift inside.
What size is it?
What size is it?
I would say it's a medium size 8.
I would say it's a medium size 8.
What do you want to know?
What do you want to know?
I'm curious about your travel plans.
I'm curious about your travel plans.
How do you feel today?
How do you feel today?
I'm feeling a bit exhausted today.
I'm feeling a bit exhausted today.
Do you see him often?
Do you see him often?
No, I don't see him much.
No, I don't see him much.
Have you been to South Korea before?
Have you been to South Korea before?
No, I hope to travel there someday.
No, I hope to travel there someday.